T is for tongue. T is for twister. Tongue twister. Are you ready? Let's start.
If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
Now, at normal speed.
If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
Let's try it again. Faster this time.
If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
Now, challenge yourself.
If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.